In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Please Donate in Roblox and get donation buttons. Start by leaving Please Donate if you're currently in a game. This will ensure everything works properly. Go to the Roblox website and sign in if needed. Then click the Create button at the top. You can also select More in the Roblox app, then select Create. Go to the side and select Creations, then select one of your experiences. You should have a default experience which will work for Please Donate. Scroll down to the monetization heading and select Passes from just below. Click the Create a Pass button. If you want to use a custom image for your game pass, then select the Change button. The image will be seen if someone places their cursor over your donation button and when donating to you. Find and select the image you want to use, then click the Open button. Select the name box and give your pass a name. Add a description if you want, then click the Create Pass button. Once the page has loaded, select your new game pass. Then go to the side and open the Sales page. Turn on the Item for Sale option, then use the default price box to set your price. This is how much will show on the donation button. Keep in mind that you will only receive 60% of the donation amount. Make sure the Enable Regional Pricing option is unchecked. Then click the Save Changes button. Go back to the side and click the Back to Passes button. Repeat the process to create as many game passes as you want. Each game pass is one donation button. Find the Configure heading in the side menu, then open the settings. Set the privacy to public. Then scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Go back to Roblox and join Please Donate. Find a stand and claim it. Then choose to edit the stand once done. Select Booth. When you unlock booths, you can change between them and select them here. Click the cross to go back. Select Text, then delete the existing text and enter what you want to appear above your stand. Press Enter to confirm, then click the cross to go back. You can also change the font and color of the text if you like. Click the cross to close the booth menu. You can also donate to other people by heading to their stand and selecting one of the donation buttons. Or you can select the gift box on the side to donate using the gifting feature. Using the gifting feature doesn't require you to be in the same server or game as the player receiving the donations. You now know how to play Please Donate in Roblox. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.